How to send pictures on Gmail from your PC or laptop. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. Start off by launching a preferred browser in your device. From here, open up your Gmail. Then, click on the Compose button. Over here, you can start off by adding on the recipient of the mail, as well as the subject and the context of the mail. Once done, at the bottom, you will see the Attach File option. Click on it. From here, browse for the image that you wish to send via your Gmail. Select on the image and tap on the Open button. Wait until it loads up. Make sure you type in a content of the image right over here. After you have curated your desired email, tap on the Send button. Now, if you want to schedule the sending of the email, you can click on the drop-down icon and tap on Schedule Send as well. So this is how you send pictures on Gmail from your PC or laptop. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.